unboxing of gifts. Maraming salamat for showering us with love and care. Team Tara Love and Care. Ayun, thank you so much. Again, paulit-ulit naman. Life wouldn't be the same without you, without all of you. Thank you for, making us live this kind of life na we are showered with love, we are showered with appreciation, diba? Ay, ito kanila, pagod ko na. Battery, 10%. Pa-charge man. 110%! Wow! Noo pa lang 100%. How much more dito? Saan? Dito. 500%. How much more dito? 1,000,000%. Saan? Dito. Oh yeah. Labo. If I was you, I want to be AA. Thank you so much. AA, Mami A, Miss M, Team Tara Las Piñas, yo. Thank you very much. Grabe si AA. Love you, AA. Love you. Parang pangit ko. Ayan. Kulang lang ng lighting. Love you, love. Woohoo! Nakapag-intro ka lang? Secret. Charot. Medyo. Okay. Habang naghihintay ako sa WhatsApp, bumili ako. Hindi kasi ang talas ng kuko ko. Meron naman tayong nail cutter sa bahay, pero gusto ko lang din bumili ngayon kasi ang sakit, nakakaano. Ang girl mo ngayon, ganda. Ayan, gusto mong nail cutter? Gusto ko nail cutter. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan, love? Siya hindi nagagalit. Hindi ko, bakit baliktad? Hindi ko mag-gets yung mga joke mo. Natatakot ako sa'yo. Ako na yung natatakot. Balik ulan na. Baliktad na, guys. Baliktad ng mundo. Minsan, ikaw nasa. Ngayon, talati ka lang nasa. Talaga, bumili ka. Ayaw mo magpanis. Wak. Sus, ayan na naman tayo, papanails tayo. Ang mahal-mahal magpa-manicure.
Magkano? 300. Tapos 1 week lang. Invest tayo ng mga manik, ng mga cutics dun ka sa bahay. Okay. It's a reward. Kung may special occasion.
Ako nang bahala sa'yo. Puputulin ko yun. Ay, yung kuko mo. Ay, ano? Oo nga, yung kuko. Love you. I love you. Congratulations.
Surprise talaga to. Ako naman, pwede ako. Sige ba, Samson? Hindi na kayo papasok ng mga bak mo. May CCTV. May dito ba sila loob? Diyan nagsasayaw ka eh. Dito sila lalabas. Dito. Hello! Walang tao. Gusto mo yung mga ganun? Ito! Gusto mo yung mga ganun surprise?
Actually, ako nga pala si Christian Grey.
No! Christian Grey! Like na lang! Ano kita? Hangin kita dyan yan!
Kita sa tagpuan ni Bathala. Love naman, wala nang sound. I-on mo.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel?
Vision, yung walang nakapiring sa ating mga mata. Kasi eventually, kahit gaano pa ka-imposible yan, magiging posible siya. In the right time, with God's blessings, no? Love. And your perseverance. Love. Everything is going to be worth it.
Kaka-in love talaga yan.
No? Let's go!